The Science Experiments Kit 260 Plus offers an extensive collection of over 120 pieces, allowing children to engage in more than 260 experiments. This kit provides a hands-on learning experience across various subjects such as chemistry, physics, and structural science, making it an excellent educational tool for children aged 4 to 12. The step-by-step instructions included in the kit ensure that each experiment is easy to understand and perform, making the learning process enjoyable and seamless for kids. Safety is a top priority with this kit, as all materials and components meet United States Kids' Toys safety standards, ensuring a worry-free experience for both children and parents. This science kit makes a perfect gift for curious minds, inspiring young scientists with a wide range of experiments and impressive results, ideal for various occasions like birthdays and holidays. Included in the kit are a variety of items such as pigments, color-changing flowers, superabsorbent polymers, and crystal growing supplies, providing everything needed for numerous exciting experiments.